Hey guys, how's it going? It's AURET here. Guess what? Our live streaming is back on. Woo! So excited. The community guideline strike is finally off of our channel. So we have live streaming and we are taking advantage of this right away. So later today, Monday, we are going to be doing the Merch by Amazon video for you guys, but it's going to be live and Jewel is going to be answering all of your questions. So come join us at 11 a.m. PST. So come hang out with us. Like I said, we're going to be answering your Merch by Amazon questions. If you already have some for us, make sure to leave them in the comments below this video. And again, that's 11 a.m. PST, Monday, February 12th, later today. Come by. I'll be there too, and we can't wait to see you there. Bye.
Back from the dead.